advent of phones and all of that sort of thing. Hi Gracie. We quite often need to get on board. We need all this stuff. Now I want to introduce you to my friend, my little scarf. This is actually one, I know you can get some online from places, but this one was handmade by my beautiful big sister and given to me for Christmas. So it is, sorry, very uneloquent of me. It is an affinity scarf, in effect, but my affinity scarf has a hidden little pocket. In this pocket, in its concealed zip, I have the things I need for while I'm on the plane. Now, these days you can get away with not necessarily having to carry a book and an iPad and a magazine and all of that, because you can download all of that onto your trusty phone, or in this case, my daughter-in-law's phone. Download it into your phone, stick it in your pouch, it's ready to go. But if you're on a 13-hour flight, good chance your battery's not going to last. So, in my little pouch, I've got a battery ready to go. Quite often on a plane though these days, you will find they have got a USB socket in the back of the plane, but I find that most of my batteries will charge faster than the plane, and it means that I can get the cord out of the way and I'm not tripping over it when I'm trying to get to the table and all of that. And of course, we need a cord. The all-important passport, because you do need to get through customs, you need to present it all the way through. So at least if you've got it in there, you're not digging into your bag, it's safe, it's secure. And because, I'm getting old, I need these now. So all of this, plus, for me, I've got some of these, the earbuds for Apple. So they just fit tight, neatly in there. I've got everything that I need to get on with the early stage of my flight, all within my scarf. Now, yeah, it can be a little bit heavy around your neck, but in all honesty, you're only using it to get on and off the plane and get through the airport maybe. I do tend to, I must admit, last time I used it, I did have it in my bag until just before boarding, and then I actually put it on and wore it as a scarf. But once you've got like your battery and your phone and stuff out of there, it actually then works well as a scarf to help keep you warm and just a little bit more comfortable if you're a bit chilled on the flight. I love it. It's such a great little asset to my travels. And so this is, with 13 weeks to go, I'm introducing you to the affinity scarf. Now, I was a bit skeptical when I saw them online. I hadn't actually spoken to my sister about them. So when she gave it to me for, actually I think it was just as a travel gift before we went away, I was really, really excited. A little bit skeptical trying it, but really, really excited. And you know what? It is great. It is so convenient because, even if it'll just sit under your seat if you don't need it around your neck and you don't want your stuff right away. And it's just so easy to pick up, to keep things all together so that you're not losing them. I hate putting things in the pouches behind the seats because I forever am paranoid that I'm going to leave something behind. Putting it in here, every time I take it off, stop using it, if I put it straight back in here, I know where it is. And then when you come to the end of your flight, or a couple of hours out, depending on how it works, and the cabin stewards come through and give you your entry cards, your passport's there, you can get your number and all your details that you need. Boarding pass is usually in here as well, just for that convenience. And occasionally I'll stick a pen in and something to suck. I'm a big believer in having something work in your mouth when you take off and land, just to help with the your equilibrium as you land. So this is the my Infinity packing scarf. If you've used one, I'd love to hear from it. As I said, you can get them online. I can't remember how much they are. This was a gift. My sister is very talented. and I'm sure I could organise something as far as a price goes from her. I'm actually at some points there'll be a few other things that will sneak in that she's given me that are travel related, little homemade wares. So one of them, which I should have done today, when I'm doing something else closer to packing, I'll show you. It's a little travel pouch thing that helps keep a few things organised in your handbag, and again that would fit in here really easily, so that you've got tissues and lip balm and hand sanitizer close. But I'll show you those because they're a very, very cool design. Have a great day. Yep, this is Karen from Sapphire Blue Travel. This is, as I said, number 2 in the series of my packing light, but this is packing for a flight series. And yeah, as I get closer, I'll pop on and show you a few other things, including I'm thinking I might show you what I put in packing cubes and how I divide it up and all of that sort of thing, because everybody's ideas are a little bit different, and I would love to help you to travel the easiest way that you can. Have a great day, and we will catch up soon. Bye.